Hey everybody, let's go over the week's training program. As you can see on Monday, we are going to do a snatch complex. It is going to be a snatch high pull from the floor. What I mean by a high pull is you're going to bring the snatch up to the barbell up to about chest level. I'd like to see the high elbows. I'd like to see the elbows higher than the bar. A lot of times people start turning over a little bit too soon. So the reason I like this complex is it's a way to keep you, keep the bar path very close to you. So literally, once you drive your legs to the floor and open up your hips, you bring the bar into your pockets and you triple extend, you're going to basically pull the bar high. So we call it like a scarecrow technique where your elbows are high and outside and the bar is going to be a little bit lower, probably right around chest level. You don't need to go higher than that. You don't need to start turning the bar over to whereas your forearms are vertical. Your forearm should still be, your fist should be still pointed down at the ground. I hope that makes sense. I'm sure the coaches will be able to figure it out and explain it a little bit more in depth. So you're going to do one high pull from the floor, then go back to the hang position, and then do one hang and full snatch. So you can go as far as above the knees on this hang. You could be high hang or you could be low hang. It's totally up to you. I would suggest you probably go about mid pockets or about the bottom of your pockets, and then do a full snatch. So you're going to get 5 attempts after your warm-ups. You get five attempts to get a 1 rep max on this complex, or a 1 rep that's challenging for you, depending on your technique. Second portion of this, so you're going to spend maybe about 10-12 minutes on this portion of snatch complex. Then we're going to move on to the lift. Last Monday, you all did back squats 5, 5, and 5. So you had basically 3 attempts to hit your last set to go as heavy as possible on 5 reps. This week we're going to be doing the same, but we're going to be going to 3 reps. Next week we're going to be going for 1 rep max. Okay. So those of you that I've seen, and I did see some that just don't seem to really want to pay attention to the protocol. A couple people were doing single reps. They were like, "Oh, I hit a PR." Well, that's awesome, but the problem is now you're going to be expected to hit another PR, and there's this whole concept of adaptation. So adapting to the loads on the bar. So now if you hit a PR last week, and now we're going to try to make you hit another PR with a single rep max next week, there's a good chance that you're not recovered fully, and there's a opportunity for injury there. So if you're going to follow our program because we really want you to get the most out of it, and we don't want you to get hurt. So it upsets me sometimes when I see people going on their own and doing their own thing to the point where it makes me kind of want to step on the bar and say, don't do that, because you're setting yourself up for failure. So it's not that I don't want to see you hit PRs. It's just that I want you to do, I just want you to do the best. As a coach, as a program designer, I just want to see you crush it. So it's not anything in a negative way. It's totally in a way that we're kind of just trying to look after your best interest, if that makes sense. So I'm being very nice the way I explain that. Going on to Tuesday, we're going to spend some time working on handstand push-ups. If you're a little bit more advanced and you can do some handstand walks, go for it. If you could do balancing handstand push-ups on a ab mat, that's awesome. Just kind of go at your skill level. Some people are still working on handstand push-ups. If you've got kipping handstand push-ups, no problem. Maybe try working on strict handstand push-ups. So we're going to work on skill for about 10, maybe 15 minutes. Then we got 2 parts of conditioning. Part A is CrossFit workout 15.4. It's an 8-minute AMRAP, right? So in 8 minutes, you're going to climb up this ladder. You're going to do 3. It's always 3 cleans. So 3 handstand push-ups, 3 cleans. 6 handstand push-ups, 3 cleans. 9 handstand push-ups, 3 cleans. 12 handstand push-ups, 3 cleans. It's an 8-minute workout. You're going to be spending a lot of time on handstand push-ups for L3 and 2. L1, push-ups. So once you start getting up in the higher rep range on these handstand push-ups, it's going to be a wake-up call because it's very taxing. So I'm looking forward to this workout. We're going to rest for about, I forgot to add in, let's see, 7 minutes. So we're going to rest for 7 minutes because I'm trying to hit different energy systems. So 8 minutes on, 7 minutes. Yeah, it's almost like a 1-on-1 ratio. So 8 on, 7 off. So you'll be hitting the second workout when the time clock hits 15 minutes. And then you're going to do 30 clean and jerks for time. So we're going to work on your barbell cycling. So level 3 weight, 155, 105. Level 2 is 135, 95. Level 1 is 95, 65. So just kind of go through that as quickly as possible. Wednesday's conditioning piece is always a favorite. So it's a 45-minute AMRAP. And you're going to get on the assault bike, do 25 calories. When you're done, you're going to get off and you're going to do 80 feet of burpee broad jumps. So we're standing, you're going to do a burpee, and then you're going to jump as far as you can. And let's just say this is 80 feet, right? From there to there, okay? So you're going to try to jump as far as you can, and then just basically do a burpee, jump as far as you can. The further you jump, the less burpees you have to do, right? So for 45 minutes, we're going to do that. And going into Thursday, this is a 3 workouts on a 12-minute clock. So this is almost like a grid type training session. And as some of you know, we used to coach grid. So you're going to have a barbell. You're going to do 10 power snatch. Pick your weight. Hopefully it's unbroken. If it's not, or if you're not moving them very fast, then you overreached. It shouldn't take a long time. It should be bang out these 10 power snatches as fast as possible. Walk over, grab the wall ball. You're going to do 10 wall ball, which is going to be simple. Then you're going to go and do 10 pulling motion movements, whether it's bar muscle ups or chest to bar pull ups or ring rows. Then you're going to do 10 burpees as fast as you can. Then you're going to do 10 vertical kettlebell swings. And then you're going to do double unders, whether it's 100 or 50 or just 50 jump rope. So clock starts, you have 12 minutes on the clock. Whatever time you stop, if you go fast, you'll have more rest period because the next 12 minutes on the dot, you're going to start and rotate and do this all over again. You're going to repeat it again. So at 0, at 12, and at 24, you're going to do this circuit, okay? Friday's workout. And believe me, this don't look like a lot, but it is. I may add some skill work in there. Maybe we'll work on double unders or even pistols. So let me do that now. So skill. I think we should work on pistols because that may come up, or single leg squats onto a box. And the lateral stuff is awesome. Okay, because the Open's coming soon, like 3 weeks or something like that. Then Friday, what do we got going on? Friday, the complex. This needs to be taken out. The clean complex. So similar to Monday, instead of a snatch, it's a clean. So you're going to do a clean pull from the floor, same scenario. You're going to go high elbows, go up to about chest high. Then you go down to the hang position, and you're going to do a hanging full clean. Same scenario. Bar just has to be above the knee. And then you're going to do a power jerk or push jerk. And 5 attempts to find a 1 rep max. That's what we're looking for. The lift, deadlift. So you got 3, 3, and 3. So find a heavy triple on your last set. After you do your warm-ups, you find a solid heavy triple. Okay? Those of you I've seen doing 1 rep maxes, well, you're going to have to figure it out. Conditioning, very similar to the other 8-minute AMRAP. Now it's box jumps and toe to bar. So 3 box jumps, 3 toe to bar, 3 box jumps, 6 toe to bar, 3 box jumps, 9 toe to bar, 3 box jumps, 12 toe to bar. As you can see, this is going to be primarily a toe to bar workout. It's 8 minutes. That pretty much explains it all. I hope everybody had a great weekend, and I hope you have a great training week. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and post it below.